This is my 2014 Honda Accord EXL, and I replaced my air intake hose myself. I failed smog, and I didn't see any videos on replacing it for this specific model, so I'm going to share. This is a kind of a first round pass here. I'm not going to edit this video. So little bit of a backstory. I decided to drive like a race car one day, and then my check engine came on. Took it to the dealer, and they told me I needed a new catalytic converter, which was like, it was gonna come out to like $2,000. I know, it's crazy. Anyways, my neighbor's a mechanic, and we reset the system, and the code left, and didn't have any problems. So I had a smog for registration. This is the new one. I did it already, and there's no way in heck I'm gonna do step by step. But you have your air intake filter here, right? This is the filter. Then you have this kind of this ring secure or whatever. This interesting bulb thing that came from the original. And then whatever this is, I don't know, has something to do with obviously the pistons, I think. But that needs to be replaced, and then that sucker right there as well needs to be pushed on, and I tried my best to get it in there, but I'm pretty sure it's secure. So let me tell you about the part. I got it from O'Reilly's. It's this one was like 33 bucks. It's 696-050, and this was the original. So if you look at the original here, right, you got air intake hose here. I'm sorry, air intake, whatever, from the filter. Then you got that interesting bulb thing that I pulled off, and then you have that pipe thing here, and then this one goes into what I believe is the pistons. I'm not a mechanic, purely DIY for sure. These looked better. This is from the original, right? So I tried to put these on that, and I quickly learned that that didn't work. Now, if you could tell, the screw side is on this side. So that's why I decided to flip it. I switch them out, but honestly, this portion was a sucker. I just hand tightened it. Hopefully that's enough, but it's not moving. The rubber is pretty strong. And then this one, oh man, this was a sucker here. Let me see if I get it in focus. Because as you can tell, it's like on the opposite side, and I forced it through. I pushed it through this thing. Let's see if I can point it with my thumb. This thing right here. Anyways, it's fresh, it's new. And the reason why I failed smog was because this has a crack in it. So they did the visual inspection, and they said, you know, fail, and then there's this. Couple points I'd like to point out. I know this video is really probably hard to watch. I'm sorry. You know, maybe if I get into this, I can convince my wife to buy me all the fancy equipment, or we can buy it. So anyways, this part I replaced, and these little clamps right here, oh my God, they're really tough. Off the original equipment, it was pretty simple to squeeze, and you just pop your whatever. But this little one was really, really hard. So I don't have a lot of equipment, but I even used my DeWalt clamp like this, and like I maneuvered it in a funky way to clamp that damn thing so I could push it in. And oh my God, that was kind of a sucker. So I spent a lot of time kind of hunched over. And another tips and trick for you guys out there was I quickly removed this thing and I snuck my hand beneath it like that. And then I pushed it on like that. That's, you know, I don't have the biggest hand in the world, but it's definitely a tight space. So, and then you kind of just hope and wish that, you know, this was tight enough, and then I hand tightened it before I forced it on, and it seems to work well. I haven't had any issues. I'm going back today, but they say it's, if you take it to a mechanic, they'll charge you, I don't know, what is it? It's upwards $300-400. That's just a guess. Maybe $30 for the part and $200 an hour for labor. I don't know, whatever they charge, but I do my own oil changes, my own tire rotations, and I'm pretty proud of this one. Save some money, so hopefully, you know, get this car rolling as much as I can. Combustion engines are still reliable, even though they take a lot of maintenance. But you know, when I get enough money, maybe I'll get an electric. But enjoy. Good luck to everybody who's trying to get this air intake hose 2014 Honda Accord done yourself. Other pointers. Let's see. Yeah, I guess I removed this. It was easier to maneuver, but other than that, it was okay. Now, oh yeah, my gas mileage seemed to go up like 2 or 3. I mean, I only drove it barely a day, but on my dashboard it said my gas mileage was going up maybe 2 miles. So that's good. All right, good luck.